Good morning guys, in front of me is Redmi Note 12 and let me show you how to locate serial number of this device. So at first open your phone dialer, go to keypad and enter a secret code which is *##06#. And here you've got the whole device information along with serial number. Tap on OK to exit, and then there is also the second method to reach serial number. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select about phone, scroll a bit lower, click on the detailed info and specification, scroll a bit lower again, go to status, and here you will notice model. Tap on it to open, and here it is. You can smoothly copy serial number from this panel also. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.